Magandang umaga mga ka-farmers, mga kabayan. Where's Kel? Oh, where is he at? Oh, there you are. Where can I? You've got 4 buckets, Cal?
Yes.
Okay. Hold on. I need to find a spot where I can. Okay. Are there lots of berries? It's not much this year.
Not like the last 2 years.
Oh, looks like. Oh my gosh. Not much. Okay guys, ayan. Maaga po tayo. Pero hindi katulad ng dating mas maaga. Okay.
You know, you got this here, you know.
Well, not all of them are ripe.
I know, but that's how they are this year. They're just a little wad. I mean, they're still berries. Don't get me wrong, but
Yeah. Well, I will go. That's your. Can I pass there? No. Where's the spot where I can pass?
here.
Okay.
This is. I don't know if you can get through here. Now.
Okay, over here.
These are good.
These are the ones I like.
Like so, all of these, all of those.
And here, I try to pick it.
Where is the spot where I can pass? Maybe here, Cal. Okay. I'll pick it. Okay, guys. Ayan. Hindi po masyadong marami. I wonder why. I wonder why they don't have much this year. We have a good sunny days. I mean, warm days. Hot days. So you need to look at is, let me see, because it's kind of like dark there. This batch here are ripe, and you see guys, there's no pinkish here. Yeah, that's what you need to look at, because it's gonna be sour. It's not really blue. So right here, yan. I don't want to pick sour. Mahal pa man din yung per pound. Tapos mapipitas mo puro hindi hinog. So hindi po lahat ng nasa isang ganyan kumpol ay hinog. So Kasi nakikita ko yung iba, mga ano, mga hilaw pa. Ito guys, malaki.
You could do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Yan, kita nyo guys, blue. Diyan sa may ano niya, pinagtanggalan ng tangkay. Okay. Pitas pa tayo, more!
Yeah, well, yours has kind of longer tires. But yeah, I remember Brendan would drive it. You and Autumn would drive it. It was so interesting how hot-headed Brendan was as a kid. Yeah, he had a pretty short little temper, but like he mellowed out as he got older. Yes, yeah. Even when Jim was alive. Yeah. Yeah, probably the deer. Yeah. Okay. I know like rodents don't like mint. And if deer don't like it, I actually have that, the rodent spray that's all the mint and the cinnamon and all that stuff. Yeah. But you could also, my buddy sprayer, just a rip sprayer, and goes out and sprays around all their hostas about once a week. Yeah. So far. I'm still just trying to figure out loosen my battery cable. Because like all of a sudden, well sometimes when
Okay guys, balik ako dun sa spot. Kumain lang ako at nag-CR. Okay. Dito kami laging nagpipik dun sa area na yun. Hindi masyadong madami ang berries.
I see a lot of green ones there.
Kapiranggot. Okay. Where is the area where I can pass? Okay, there's cow. Pass tayo dito. Dito tayo, dito. Okay. Excuse me. There's the area where I can pass. I need to pass. Okay, look. Is there nothing there?
Well, there's berries up in here, yeah.
Okay, maybe I can go to the other side. Is this our... Okay. Kinuha ng daanan. Lots in here. I think there. I will check the other side. Marami pa dito, oh. Oh, ayan, oh. Marami pa, oh. Diba? Okay. May mga tao na dito kanina, eh. Yung ko ba't di nila na-pick to. May iba po kasi namimili. Po, siyempre, natural lang yun. Piliin ang malalaki at piliin ang hinog. Sa akin, basta basta hinog. Important thing is it's ripe. Sana ba nakapokus ang camera ko? Importante po yung hinog. Kasi pag hinog, madali lang pong tanggalin. Yung lalaglag na lang siya. Oh, may nasamang... Ay, asan ba nakapokus? May nasamang hilaw. Ayun, oh. Ito, magdurugo yan, eh. Kainin natin. Magdurugo. Marami po siyang bunga. Ayan. Ewan ko ilang variety ito. Ayan, oh, marami pa dyan, oh. May namitas dito kanina, eh. Oh, bahala ka dyan, malaglag ka. Nakapuno na kami ng 4, guys. 4 na balde. O, ayan, o, medyo malalaki. Ay. Sa buhay mo. Oh. Po, 2 kamay ang ginagamit ko pag namitas. Yan. Kasi simula ko pa lang. This is my 3rd bucket. Okay, guys. Sige, guys. Ayan na ang araw. Ayan, sikaw.